Hey guys, welcome back. Viktor G here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this outer taillight assembly on this 2010 Lexus RX450h. Open the hatch, open up this cover right here, remove the spare tire cover, remove the battery cover if you're working on a hybrid. If it's a non-hybrid, you'll have like a little storage tray right here. So take out the clips and pull it out. And now you can take off this scuff plate right here. It's just held on by clips. All the clips right there. Make sure they all stay in the scuff plate and not in the body. Remove this little cover on the side. And then you got to take this one out here. So you've got a couple clips holding it on. And this cover will come off. Now take this trim piece off. You got one clip here, and then just pull it towards you. So you've got two clips and one claw here holding it on. Take off these two clips here. Remove this cover. Some of them are plastic, some are like a felt type material. And then open this up, and there's a 10mm head bolt in there. You can pull this hook out. Lexus wants you to remove this whole panel off to get to these connectors, but it's a lot of work. You don't really have to. You can just get in there with a little screwdriver and unclip, disconnect the connectors. There's one. And there's two. Now you can pull these wires out through the opening. Now you've got three 10mm head bolt or nuts. There's one here, one there, and there's another one up top. It's kind of hard to see it from this angle. So the main thing here is not to drop those nuts inside the vehicle, because you might not be able to find them, and then they'll be rolling around there causing a lot of rattling noise. Luckily the studs are very long. I think Lexus thought about this, and they prevent the nut from sliding off most of the time. The top one's a little bit harder to get to, but it's doable. You can get in there with a small ratchet. And then you can probably loosen it the rest of the way by hand. All right, here we go. And now you can take the taillight assembly out. The new one will come without these lights here, so you can just twist them counterclockwise. You have a connector here that you'll just unclip, pull it out. You can take these bulbs out, and then get this wire out of here so you can access the tab right inside there to slide this connector off. All right, there you go. Get your replacement light. Reinstall these light sockets, align the tabs, and then twist them clockwise until they stop. Like this, and then re-engage this little ballast connector. And reconnect the light. Now you can go ahead and reinstall the taillight back into the vehicle. There's this green little clip right here, so just line it up with that, with a slot. Line up all the bolt holes and slide it in. Reinstall the 3 nuts and tighten them to 4 foot-pounds or 48 inch-pounds. And get the wire harness through and clip it in. It's a little bit tight in there. It definitely beats taking the whole panel off. And that's one. And there's 2. Reinstall the 2 clips. This cover here, so you've got these little legs on it pointing down, clip it in, and then you have this cargo hook. Tighten this guy to 5 foot-pounds. Install this trim panel, so you got to line up this hook with a cutout down there. Line up the clips, clip it in, make sure this weather stripping isn't caught under it. And then there's a clip right here, and reinstall this piece. 2 clips. A small cover, engage the hooks, lay it flat, reinstall the scuff plate, make sure the weather stripping isn't caught, and the battery cover or a storage tray if you have one there. Spare tire cover. And there you go. Outer taillight replacement is completed. Thanks for watching. Please check for product links below the video for any tools or supplies needed to complete the procedure shown in this tutorial. If you would like me to make a specific video, please leave a suggestion in comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!